What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel. You know, I've come back from Jamaica, and your girl have not cooked not one time. But upon a break, with upon y'all. Oh, lazy as hell, and just basically just make this a vlog today. What my plan for though is go into Atlanta. My daughter just moved into her brand new home, and I'm going down there to help her to do the transition, moving from the apartment where she was living into her house, and I'm so happy for her. She just moved in. She started moving on the 1st, so she's still in the transitioning stage. So I'm going to go down there and help her. I have some things here that I did put up here. So I'm not going to just go down and carry that to gear. And I did see something in one of them furniture store. One of them furniture store yesterday. Or the day before yesterday. I did love it. I love it for myself, but I'm going to give it daughter. So I'm going to take that to her and I'll help her clean up the apartment as well. And do some little mini decorating and so the new house. Yeah. But anyway, I never tell enough to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel and turn on the post notification. I don't know the routine already, right? I miss my kitchen, but I'm gonna start do some cooking as of Monday. So as of Monday, I'm gonna do some recipes and stuff like that. But I need a cooking break. I cook for my house, but I don't cook for Uno. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I already took my shower. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my little girl things and etc etc. Make my bed and start my day. So welcome back to the sticker vlog. Let's get to the cooking thing, alright? So now that I'm done with my bed, now I'm down in my guest bedroom and I'm about to go get them things that I need for my daughter. Pack them for carry over there because I'm going over there today, right? And let's just say this closet right here, so is filled with nothing but household stuff, isn't it? All the way down to the floor. This all home decor stuff, right? Because you know, say a girl love for decor house. I'm just making a glimpse, I guess, a bedroom. Alright, so this is a little eye candy of my guest bedroom. Right, so this is where the guests be at when them come, right? Which really ever use and stuff like that. However, I'm going to take all of these cushions out. These cushions came with my sofa. My sofa in my front room and my sofa in my family room, but I'm not using these right about now. Well, period. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just take them out and just give them to daughter. I do have some other things like the sheet here. I need to give this to Goodwill. This is a comforter set. So I'm going to just go ahead and just give that to Goodwill. But I do have a whole lot of stuff in here, y'all. All kinds of home decor shenanigans going on in here. But I guess once I take the cushions out, it should lighten up the load. See? The load already lighten up. So, yeah. Just go ahead and just give them at your daughter, yeah, man. Just to make life easier for myself right here, so. Alright, see the load lighten up already? Now the cushion that causes the friction. So I do have some other things. Let me see what in here. So, oh, these are some more cushions. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give these to the order as well. I have these are like curtains and stuff. Look at that, y'all. Home decor shenanigans going on in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and give these to daughter, all of that stuff, and just put this in the other container with my collect, because I do give things to Goodwill at least twice a month or every 3 weeks. A month not go by, but I'm gonna donate to them. So just gonna go ahead and just organize these up, and then I'm gonna see back when we hit the road. Okay, good. So I finally make it to my daughter. Oh, let's take time to talk, because daughter is doing some recording upstairs. But however, I made it to her house. I'm gonna put in the right here, so. But good, it is crazy cold outside. In Atlanta, it is hella cold. Oh my goodness. I'm cold because I can't feel myself. That's how cold it is. But anyway, let me put the light here, so. The lighting is so crazy. But I'm happy to take time to talk. Oh, phone looks so blurry. But anyway, you look mad, everything look mad. But I made it to daughter's house. And let's just say daughter's house is bashment. Can't go to the house tour yet, but daughter's house nice. She's she done move in, but like I said before, she still have boxes over here, boxes everywhere that we're going to unpack, and then she do have some things that is coming over, sofa and a whole lot of other things, because this is a massive bigger house to what she had before. So I'm gonna take time talking to her daughter, recording in her office. But anyway, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is really, really nice. Really hella nice, y'all. That house is nice. But there's a whole lot to do. She did have some deliveries come today. Them did drop off bedroom furniture and stuff. So she have living room set that's coming tomorrow and Monday into Wednesday. So I'm gonna do the best to help her out because she's gonna be at work and they have to deliver the stuff. So I have to make sure some come and make sure that them coming, that thing they must sit outside of the door. But anyway, we did do some mopping of the floors and all of that stuff, and then we're going to do some of that at the apartment as well. Still have some extra little days and so for turning the keys over this. But anyway, yeah, we have been going all the way in, y'all, all the way in. Oh, apple small, but you know what I'm saying about apple, right? The apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, we're gonna eat the apple. Eat that up. I'm gonna take time talking about that at work. But anyway, y'all. Sweet. Sweet as a liquor, but sweet. So anyway, I'm not gonna give you a tour of daughter's house. Perfect stove that I want. She have the gas stove, I may have the electric. But this is the living room. I will still have boxes. We didn't touch those yet. We're in the process right now. We'll cut up them boxes so. Let's set that boxes over here. Now I'm end up mad. Now watch Ed. Listen, nobody comfortable with the ear business here. Because I'll waste my time on that too. Anyway. We have one more trip to make over the apartment. And then pack up them some from out of the truck. Put them in the oven. Carry some bags to the dumpster. Fresh up maybe. Maybe come already fresh up before I come here, but it's cold outside, y'all. And when it's cold, I don't do much. What me I got to eat though. And then I'm not going to come back on camera. And I'm not going to cook in that house because everything is a mess. So just make sure you subscribe to the channel, alright? I am starving. Backyard is pretty big. But now I show that because I'm at my house. Can't be showing daughter business like that. We going out to eat. We not sure spot that I carry me. Somewhere. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. With the hungry, everything tastes good. So, thumbs up, tap and share. I'm gonna see you in my next video, huh? Peace.